Hi, this is George, and if you remember from the previous video, I was showing how to create a unit test for a method that had a hardwire dependency to an external system, but I did it without using dependency injection. The reason was because I wanted to postpone a design decision. Let's say that we were not ready or we didn't know enough yet about the system, so that we didn't want to start extracting parameters to a constructor or setter injections, etc. So the approach was to create a sim and just override the integration. That is what I did in here. Now, in this second video, I'm going to pretend that I have made a design decision and I'm going to replace this previous refactoring with something more clean. The reason is that this way of testing is not bad, but still it exposes something that perhaps I shouldn't be exposing in here. So if we look at the method, the design decision of extracting maybe a constructor with the dependency injection and the factory is perhaps not desirable, because all we want in this method is the data, because the data will be used to get the details. So it should be enough to just pass data as a parameter in here. So we are saying basically our design decision is that the call to the database no longer belongs in this class. Somewhere else it will be done, but not in here. So to start doing this refactoring, the safest thing is to first overload. So I'm going to overload and I'm going to extract this parameter. So the parameter data is extracted and I'm going back to the test, and now I'm going to wire to the overloaded method, and instead of using the sim, now I'm going to initialize to the original class, not to the extended one. So the test passes, and now we can start removing our old test infrastructure. And in what regards here the production code, after examining that the original call is no longer used, and wherever it was used we replace that with a call to the new overloaded method, then we are safe to delete. The best is to always use the save delete, so it will tell us if there is any place where that is still used. So we are going to safely delete, and that's it. Now we have a clean implementation, and we have made a design decision, and we have not used dependency injection through constructor or setter. Our decision was to actually, all we needed is just to pass the data. So thank you very much.